Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror. I'm live at Fatima Nagar. We are just opposite Sada Lakshmi Cooperative Housing Society and Shivam Sweets, and very close to the Reliance Mall right next to. So we are here with the residents of this society who have had a very severe problem for the past 3.5 decades. The issue is that there is a power outage, a power failure, and that takes place throughout the year, whether it's winter, summer, monsoons. This power outage is a major problem. Sometimes right through the night, there is no electricity, बिजली नहीं होता है और घंटों power supply नहीं होता है. And especially during summer, it's so hot, they cannot use the fans, they cannot use the AC, their laptops, the geysers, anything cannot be used. So this is a major issue that they have been facing here for about 30 years now. Some of them have been living here for around 15 years. And all their complaints to the MSCDCL has come to zero, zilch. The MSCDCL keeps telling them, यहाँ पे problem है, वहाँ पे problem है, but their problem refuses to be resolved. Right in front, you can see this electricity connection on top. When it rains, sparks come from here and the sparks continue to fall down for about 7 to 10 minutes. And there's a huge blast-like sound also. So there are several issues here, and the major issue is about the power supply. So we will talk to the people, the residents of this place, and find out what exactly is the issue, how long is going on, and how has the MSCDCL responded to their complaints. So, आप अपना नाम बताइए और हमें ये बताइए कि प्रॉब्लम कब से चल रहा है और आप लोग ने जो MSCDCL को कंप्लेंट किया है उनका रेस्पॉन्स क्या है.
Okay. Hi, my name is Sakina. I'm a resident of Fatima Nagar, and this power outage problem has been there from past 15 years. And whenever we call this MSEB department, so every time, first of all, they put their phone on hold, and in a while, if they are answering our call, so hardly there is like कि यहाँ पर fault मिला है. Every time the answer is same, fault मिला है और 1 घंटे में light आ जाएगी. But sometimes the light is gone for like 3 hours. We are facing a lot of problem. It's winter, it's summer, and same problem happens in winter, rainy season every time.
Okay, so we are talking to a saloon owner who has a shop right below this building, and he will tell us what exactly the problem that he is facing regarding electric supply, power supply.
So actually the problem is what, there is no electricity, then my work will be completely stopped. So earlier we used to face this problem on rainy season, and that's okay. Sometimes the rainy season is the season, there will be the problems. But nowadays it's a summer and the rainy season didn't start also, and then we are facing a lot. And it's not like a 10-15 minutes, it's 2 hours, sometimes 4 hours, 5 hours. It's very difficult for us to survive. That's the main problem. So I have seen that problem is that DP box only. Always it's blasted every time, and then it spark out, and then it takes time to maintain it, and that's the main problem, I guess, in this area.
So that DC box you're talking about?
Yes, that's the main problem. Yeah, always we face always problem from that.
So and how long does this sparking going on?
See, continuously. Yeah, if it's rainy season, so it goes continuously. It's very dangerous for the nearby people also. And then we call them, and they come after 15-20 minutes, sometimes later also. And then they just checked it out. They just do a temporary stop, but they are not doing any permanent stop for this. That's the main.
And this has been going on right since the beginning. This blast and sparking which takes place, right?
I'm here in this area from since 2013. I used to work before here, and then I shifted to this place, and I started here. And then always I faces this is the main issue. So always rainy season you will get this problem, and nowadays it's not a rainy season. Maybe it's a summertime also we are facing problem. So I think they should work out in this thing. They should upgrade this thing. I guess it's required.
So what's your name?
Roy.
So Roy has told us that this junction box, what's it called?
Yeah, DP box or something.
The DP box needs to be repaired. It should be changed actually. A new DP box needs to be put, because always especially during the monsoon, when the water hits the cables and the connections, there's a huge blast-like sound, and sparks keep falling. So it's not only a danger, for commuters, but the lights then go off, and the MECDCL people come and they just do temporary repairs and then they go off. We'll talk to a few more people and find out. We'll get to the bottom of this issue.
हाय, मैं हीना मेहता बोल रही हूँ। मैं यहाँ सदा लक्ष्मी कोऑपरेटिव हाउसिंग सोसाइटी लास्ट 35 ईयर से हम यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं और यहाँ पे लाइट का बहुत ही ज़्यादा इशू आ रहा है। थोड़ा बारिश आई कि लाइट चली जाती है। समर में भी सेम प्रॉब्लम, एज अ विंटर में भी सेम प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है और कोई इस पर हमको कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहा है और कोई इस पर आगे हम कंप्लेन करते हैं तो जल्दी कोई रिस्पॉन्स भी नहीं देते हैं और इसकी वजह से हमारे यहाँ पानी का प्रॉब्लम भी हो रहा है और घर में बुज़ुर्ग लोग हैं, ओल्ड एज के लोग, उनको भी बहुत कुछ सहन करना पड़ रहा है। थैंक यू।
और ये कितने साल से हो रहा है ये?
लास्ट 35 ईयर्स से।
35 years
या आई एम स्टेइंग इन 35 ईयर्स फ्रॉम हियर।
और दिन में और रात, मतलब ये टोटली कितना घंटा?
ये ओवरनाइट मीन्स रात भर भी कभी जाती है, कभी 4-5 घंटे, कुछ ऐसे पर्टिकुलर नहीं बोल सकते पर बहुत ही ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए जाती है।
मेरा नाम मोहन मोटवानी है। वी ओन दिस शॉप ओवर हियर, शिवम स्वीट्स एंड नमकीन। यहाँ पे काफ़ी सालों से ये प्रॉब्लम है। काफ़ी लोगों ने एफर्ट्स डाले हैं बट ऑल इन वेन। तो वी रिक्वेस्ट MSC पीपल टू प्लीज़ सी टू इट कि यहाँ पे क्या लोड बढ़ चुका है, क्या है, और एवरी रेनी सीजन इट्स अ हॉरिबल प्रॉब्लम। सो वी रिक्वेस्ट देम टू प्लीज़ क्योर दिस एट द अर्लीस्ट।
And how long does this power outage take place? मतलब
Depends. Sometimes it is more than 4 to 5 hours, sometimes 1 hour, sometimes maybe the entire night. So it is not fixed basically.
Not fixed.
It all depends.
and this takes place throughout the year, right?
It was most basically during the rainy season. But now this summer season we have faced this problem also. Yeah, not throughout the year, honestly. Yeah.
But there has been a power outage, power supply problem for a very long time.
Yeah.
And it just escalates during the monsoons.
Yes, monsoon it is horrible. Monsoon it is horrible basically.
And what exactly has the MECDCL people told you? What are they saying?
No, we didn't had any good response from them. Honestly, we required their help because the sparks which come over here, anybody can get hurt over here basically. That's a major reason.
And when this sparking takes place and the sparks fall on the ground,
Yeah.
does the power supply go off?
Immediately, yes. As the sparks happen, the power supply goes off. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Anyone else?
मेरा नाम मारिया पत्रावाला है और मैं पिछले 27 ईयर्स से रह रही हूँ इसके पीछे की बिल्डिंग में। और जब से हम लोग यहाँ शिफ्ट हुए तब से ऑन एंड ऑफ लाइट का इशू था। हमने उस रीज़न के लिए इन्वर्टर लिया, बट इन्वर्टर भी कितना टाइम चलेगा जब इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई नहीं होगा तो वो चार्ज भी नहीं होगा। सो ऑलवेज बीन अ प्रॉब्लम। फिर वाटर इश्यूज होते हैं बिकॉज ओवरहेड में पानी नहीं जाता है मोटर से। सो लॉट्स ऑफ इश्यूज आफ्टर द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई का वो होता है, तब होता है हमें। And we have a lift. We have 4 floors building. So we have senior citizens just behind this.
अच्छा, behind.
हाँ, तो senior citizens रहते हैं 4th floor पे. They face a lot of problem. They have to sit for hours and hours down waiting for the electricity to come because it's not a generator backup lift.
And has anyone ever got stuck in the lift?
Yeah, many a times. But that issues ऐसा है कि वो solve हो जाता है वो करके. But then people have to wait. The senior citizens that light आएगा फिर हम लोग जाएंगे ऊपर।
Obviously, because they can't climb up.
पहले कॉल करके पूछ लेते हैं लाइट है तो ही आते हैं, नहीं तो नहीं आते हैं। So it's been a very nuisance over here for electricity.
So as the lady just told us that this power outage, power supply problem is a huge issue, especially during summer. The motors don't work, so the water can't be pumped up. There are senior citizens who cannot use the lift, and as she told us that sometimes people have even got stuck in the lift. The big question here is, why is the MECDCL taking so long to solve this problem? Why can't they change this DP box here and replace these cables and all that, so that these people who have been facing this problem, now this lady told us that it's 27 years and the other lady told us 35 years. It's a huge problem which has been going on for very, very long. It's high time the MECDCL steps in and resolve this problem. But again, सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये उठता है कि MECDCL ने अब तक इस पे कोई एक्शन क्यों नहीं लिया है और वो कब एक्शन लेगा. प्रिंस चौधरी साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर पुणे टाइम्स मिरर from Fatima Nagar, right opposite the Sada Lakshmi Cooperative Housing Society.